This video to our presentation at EMKR Group. EMKR is a NASDAQ Global Market stock, trading our ticker EMKR. We're just going to take a quick run through the indicators on this. This chart really caught my eye because it fell off here. It's back down pretty close to a bottom support level, 85 to 90 cents. This is one I'm going to keep my eye on this week, see if it's going to hold that support level, potentially go back up here and challenge resistance points. There is a pretty positive sign coming through there with the MACD trending back towards zero. It is making slightly higher highs. Positive indication to see that trending back towards zero. Similarly with the PPO, ADX, that's not in that great of position. This negative DI is moving up pretty quickly. But as I mentioned, it's really going to tie in with holding the support levels. MFIs still all three over top of 50. That's a good thing to see, even though they're turned down. I'll be looking for a bounce, try and hold that upper half of the indicator, and kind of keep the overall uptrend feel that they have going on. Accumulation distribution is trying to trend upward. Shaking money flow broke back through zero. Buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. CCI, pretty ugly. Broke back down through negative 100. At this point, bottom feeders, let's look for that break back up through negative 100 to show some strength trying to come back into the chart. Full stow shows momentum coming out of the play, but still pretty close to 50. So I'd want to see it turn, hold that area, continue to make higher lows over the last month. The TRIX is trending upward. That's a positive sign. RSIs, we don't get much out of them until they can push their way back through 50. You can see several months now, obviously the price per share has been getting pummeled. I'm up over top of $3 to down under $1. No good momentum has been able to come into the play. Chart's still very bearish at this point. As I open this video, I'm just going to have my eye on this bottom support. If that can hold, it's a double bottom sort of mentality. The chart stays in play, so that's where my primary focus would be right now. It does pick up a little bit of resistance at $1. That's a pretty common psychological barrier to boot. But I'm looking more around $1.10. That's a pretty nice gain from where it is, almost 20%. If it can break through that resistance, it does meet some more with the 50-day moving average, but it's pretty free and clear to up to around $1.40 outside of that dynamic resistance. Volume is okay on this stock. You can see 614,000 shares traded. That's about average for it. I'd like to see those volume bars pick up a little bit if it's going to try and take out that resistance, try and make a strong run towards the 50-day. Certainly a little bit of weakness in the indicators, but there are some positive signs that come along with it. And those factors combined with the support level makes this chart one worth keeping on radar to see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the EMKR chart. Thank you for watching and trade smart.